Good morning, all. Now, welcome back again. So, we are continuing unit number two. So, in last lectures, we have seen the transverse module. So, transverse modules of helical gear is equal to mn upon cos alpha, that is normal module upon cos alpha. For calculation of helical gear, always consider transverse module. Please remember this. Now, now we have to see center distance of helical gear. If we see here, now there are two shafts. This one. So these two shafts, on these two shafts, two helical gears are mounted. So let us say it is a one gear wheel having diameter d. It is rotating in clockwise direction, and is another gear is there. It is a pinion. Generally, we will give power to the pinion. So pinion is driver and wheel is driven member. Here, pinion having diameter small d, pinion having diameter small d. Now, if you carefully observe, so here it is a center distance. See, center distance I have mentioned, the distance between the center of the two gears. Now, if you see the figure, how center distance can be calculated? So, if you consider here, let us say small r is the radius of pinion and capital R is the radius of gear wheel. So, it is center distance equal to small r plus capital R. This distance small r plus this distance capital R. So, radius is nothing but diameter divided by 2. So, it is small d divided by 2 plus capital D divided by 2. We know that small r we can calculate in terms of module. So, that is m into t by 2. Now, here mt. Already I told you for helical gear we have to consider transverse module. So, mt into t divided by 2. Here mt into capital T divided by 2. Small t is the number of teeth on pinion and capital T is the number of teeth on gear wheel. So if you take common one half, so convert this, and we know that transverse module equal to mn upon cos alpha. So putting this value here, so it becomes mn upon cos alpha 1 into t. Alpha 1 is the helix angle of pinion and alpha 2 is the helix angle of gear wheel. Here mn upon cos alpha 2 into capital T. So we will get finally center distance mn by 2 into bracket t by cos alpha 1 plus capital T by cos alpha 2. So this is the equation of center distance. Now we will get in terms of module, and already we know that center distance equal to r by capital R. If you calculate small r, if you calculate capital R, just take addition, you will get center distance. Now if helix angle are same, that is alpha 1 equal to alpha 2 equal to alpha. By putting this value in this equation number 1, we will get final equation mn by 2 cos alpha 1 in bracket t plus capital T. Now here, so whatever theory we have learned, so now we have to see numerical so that you can understand effectively whatever we have learned in theory. So take a notebook and a pen and write down this question. Here in the numerical it is mentioned two helical gears transmits 30 kilowatt with velocity ratio 4. 30 kilowatt nothing but power is given. So two helical gears transmit power 30 kilowatt with velocity ratio 4. The normal pressure angle of 20 degree and helix angle is 30 degree. Normal module is 12 mm and standard addendum is equal to 1 module. The pinion has 20 teeth and rotates at 400 rpm. Determine the center distance and evaluate the forces acting on the tooth with the help of neat sketch. Students, already I told you every question, every numerical, you have to read it minimum 2 times. And after reading, write down the given quantity and what is asked in the numerical. So In this numerical, after reading this problem, so given quantity is power. So power 30 kilowatt. So convert into watt, 30 into 10 ratio 3 watt. Now velocity ratio, gear ratio, it is given 4. The normal pressure angle of 20 degree. So normal pressure angle. Now pressure angle, normal pressure angle. That's why it is phi n. Phi n equal to how much? 20 degree. Then here helix angle is 30 degree. So alpha is 30 degree. Normal module is given. In the problem, normal module is given. Understand, student? Normal module is given. So that is 12 mm. And standard addendum is equal to 1 module, it is also mentioned. So 1 into normal module. So 1 into 12, that is 12 mm. Each is 12 mm. Addendum. Number of teeth on pinion, it is mentioned 20. And speed of the pinion are also given. Let us say n1 is the speed of pinion, that is 400 rpm. So these are given quantity and it is asked determine the center distance. Center distance we have to calculate, and various courses we have to show with the help of lead sketch. So here, so gear ratio is equal to T by T. So from this gear ratio is given, we can calculate number of teeth on gear wheel. Pin and teeth is also given. So it is 4 into 20. So capital T is equal to 80. Now transverse model of helical gear. Already we know this formula mt equal to mn by cos alpha. So it is coming 12 by cos 30, that is 13.85 mm. So this transverse module we have to consider henceforth all the calculations. So first we will calculate pitch circle radius of pinion. So that is equal to small r equal to transverse module into number of teeth on pinion divided by 2. So it is coming 13.85 into 20 divided by 2 is equal to 138.56 mm. Please check the answer with the help of calculator. Then